You're one bite away from never choking down dry pork chops again. Set your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're making juicy oven roasted pork chops with a Cajun honey butter finish, and yes, we're broiling them at the end for that caramelized glow. Restaurant behavior. At home, grab 6 center cut pork chops about 1 to 1¼ inches thick. Pat them dry like you're mad at them. That's how you get color instead of sadness. Now rub each chop with 1½ tablespoons of neutral oil total, so a little slick on both sides of all 6. Let's build the flavor. In a bowl, mix 2¼ teaspoons of Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning, 1½ teaspoons smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoons garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon onion powder, 3/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1½ teaspoons brown sugar. That brown sugar is this secret handshake. It helps the pork chops brown and it plays really well with the honey later. Coat both sides of every chop and press this seasoning in like you mean it. Then lay them in a baking dish in a single layer. Mine was a little tight, but listen, pork chops shrink. They're dramatic like that. Slide them into the oven and roast until they hit 145 degrees internal. If they're boneless, start checking around 12 minutes. Bone-in, start checking around 14. Do not freestyle this part. Use a thermometer. Dry pork chops are what happens when we cook with vibes. Once they hit 145, pull the dish out and let them rest for 5 minutes. This is where the juice moves back into the meat, not onto your plate. Respect the rest. Now the glow up. Melt 4½ tablespoons of butter and stir in 2¼ tablespoons of honey. Pour that all over the chops. Spoon it on top too. Don't be stingy. This is the part where people start hovering in your kitchen pretending they're just getting water. Now crank your broiler. Pop the dish back in for 1 to 2 minutes just until the top gets caramelized and glossy. Watch it like a hawk. Honey goes from golden to burnt faster than somebody saying, "We need to talk." And that's it, juicy oven roasted Cajun pork chops with a honey butter broiled finish. Tender inside, caramelized on top, and loud flavor. Mini soul snack. Stop rushing what's supposed to be good. Rest time isn't wasted time, whether it's pork chops, progress, or peace. Give it a minute to settle before you cut into it. I served these with yellow jasmine rice and veggies and my cucumber tomato salad to keep it fresh and snappy. For the full written recipe with exact measurements and cook time tips, visit kelvinskitchen.com.